Today in health news, the backlash against the latest FDA-approved chronic pain medication available to patients starting next month.
Well, it comes on the heels of the alarming rate of prescription drug deaths across the country and right here at home. News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Momenta live in our New Haven newsroom tonight with more on why there's a push for the FDA to reverse its decision. Jocelyn?
And Darren, Zohydro, a hydrocodone-based drug, is the latest arsenal in the cache of drugs for chronic pain. The latest opposition comes from healthcare, consumer, and addiction treatment groups. Opponents argue the country does not need another potent prescription painkiller that can lead to addiction and death, but there are doctors who see the need for it.
Zohydro is the latest line of opioids prescribed for chronic pain, now at the crosshairs of controversy. Okayed by the FDA and available in March, opponents say the potent painkiller could lead to more abuse and deaths. Internist Dr. Frank Mongillo.
It's the start of the cleaner way for people to abuse drugs.
It's a widespread problem.
The thing about long-acting drugs is it's actually a better way to treat pain. The problem is people abuse it.
His patients like 37-year-old Tom.
I was on Oxycontins, primarily Percocets, which made me dabble into heroin a little bit.
This employed husband and father is getting treated for his dependence.
Once it gets a hold of you, you lose everything about yourself, and that's the only thing you care about.
That firm hold began in high school after his father's death.
I guess that's how I dealt with grief, but then it turns into that's how you deal with happiness and sadness.
Still,
I think it's partially timing.
Dr. Mongillo sees the need for drugs like Zohydro.
I would not be opposed to prescribing it with any of these medications. I tend to like to see them on the market for a while and kind of get a sense of where they best fit in.
So far, 28 states have asked the FDA to reverse its decision in the midst of the skyrocketing rate of prescription drug deaths. The maker of Zohydro says it provides a new treatment option for chronic pain patients who have developed opioid tolerance, are not getting optimum pain relief, or are experiencing side effects with other long-acting opioids. Dr. Mongillo points out there's always a risk of addiction.
About 5 to 10% of people are going to just like it too much.
U.S. Attorney Generals from 28 states signed that letter asking the FDA commissioner to reconsider the agency's decision. Connecticut Attorney General George Jepsen among them. Ann?